All the required files are available in my Telegram channel. Link is in the description. First, extract all the files. Now, open the Visual C Runtime all in one folder. Right-click on Install All and choose Run as Administrator, then click Install. I've already installed it, so I'll skip this step. Next, copy all the DLL files and paste them into the Windows System 32 folder. Then paste them again into the SysWow64 folder. I've already done this, so I'll cancel. Press Windows plus R, type emsconfig and hit Enter. Go to Boot, then Advanced Options, and select the maximum number of processors you have. Now search for About My PC. Click on Advanced System Settings. Go to Performance Settings, then Advanced, and open Virtual Memory Settings. Untick the box, choose your C drive, and set the initial size to 16,384 and the maximum size to 24,576. Next, open Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection, then Manage Settings, and turn off all protections. After that, go to Exclusions, add an exclusion, and select the folder where your game is extracted. Before installing, restart your computer. Verify all the bin files before starting installation. Now run the setup as administrator. Do not limit the installer to 2 GB of RAM. Install the game in your C drive and select only the necessary options, like no mods or bonus content. That's it! I've already installed the game using these exact steps. Enjoy your game and don't forget to subscribe, brother.